Hello everyone, this is Petko Alexandrov and I continue with some more results that I have in about 5 days time. So you can see that the trades were closed on the 10th of November. The last trade, some great take profits were reached, and of course some stop losses. For example, right over here you can see that I have a negative trade. Okay, when we have the red arrow on the chart, it means it was a short trade. Here was the stop loss, here was the take profit, but the price didn't reach the take profit and it reverted upwards. And actually here I think it was on the exit condition, not the stop loss reached and then the price went higher. Anyway, I have profit of $4,662.96, which is a result for about 7 days. I think 1 week in trading is from Monday till Friday, okay, 5 days, because over the weekend the forex market doesn't work. So to be more accurate, this is about 7 days of trading, and if I scroll up you will see all the trades that opened and closed, or I just can increase it so you will see even better. This is fully automatically. I didn't touch anything, I didn't close any trade by myself, I didn't open trade by myself. All of the trades were executed by the expert advisors, and actually you can check that if you click on the bar where we have the price, the swap, the time, the profit. Okay, I can arrange to see all the profits, and then on the top I will have all the losses, so you can arrange it by the type, the time, the symbol. We have only the pound dollar obviously, but if you click on that bar you can check on comments, and you will see that on the right side I have the magic numbers of these expert advisors, so it's easy for me to understand and see which trades were opened by which expert advisor. Okay, I can arrange them by the magic numbers. So okay, let's start from the top. You can see that the first 3 trades were opened by the expert advisor with magic number 655000865. Okay, and so far this strategy is losing because I have 2 negative trades, 1 profitable. Then I have more active strategy or expert advisor with the magic number ending on 561. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 trades that were closed due to the exit condition. You see there is no stop loss or take profit in these 4 trades. And then I have 3 times the stop loss hit with this expert advisor, okay, which brought some more losses, actually over $1,000 in this case, and this strategy is losing for that period of 1 week. Okay, and then we have the others. Obviously if I scroll more lower you will see that some of the strategies brought great profits. For example, this one over here, I see it very active, okay, with the magic number 66066261. You see that it had 1, 2, 3 times the take profit, then it had more profits as well. This strategy over here brought great profits, okay, the one having magic number of 66203931. It had 600, right here is above $1,800 of a profit. Then it had 1 loss, and then it had the exit condition with a profit, and it's a very profitable strategy for the moment. So I can recognize which strategies are profitable and which are losing. But if you want to put on a separate account only the top expert advisors, the one that bring you most profits, the best thing you can do is to connect the account to FX Blue or my FX book, and you will see which strategies actually bring you profits. So if you test the 10 expert advisors on a demo account, you can take the top EAs for the moment and put those on a live account. That's something I've been doing a lot. But for the moment, I keep trading the 10 of them straight to live account because I already tested them on a demo, right? So when you get the 10 expert advisors, you might want to place them first on a demo account and select the top ones for your live account. So here are the results for that account on FX Blue. 7 days, as you can see, I have weekly return of 9% and monthly of 43.7, but that is not realistic. It's calculated based on the trades that we have so far. So the 9% is real because we already have 1 week trading, and the monthly return is just expectation from what we have so far. Now if I click on strategy and I arrange the strategies according to the net profit, you will see on the top the one with magic number 66066261 that did already 9 trades. It had some loss as well, but the net profit is above 2,300, and we have a profit factor of 4 for 9 trades. That's not bad. And below are the rest. On the bottom we have one that loses the most, but one more time, that's the risk diversification, guys. If I trade many expert advisors, many strategies simultaneously, and one starts to lose or a few, the others will compensate for these losses, and at the end of the day we will have a nice equity line. If I go to charts, you will see how the equity went until the moment. And as I've said already, what you can do is to place these 10 expert advisors or the 10 expert advisors that you will see in the course when you enroll. And these are the EAs that I'm currently trading at any moment. You can put those on a MetaTrader demo account and you can follow the results. And from there you can choose just the top 5 or the top 4, the top 3. It's really up to you. Depends how you want to manage it. But I would suggest you always start with a demo. That way you will feel more comfortable, you will test the expert advisors, you will practice trading, you will follow the results on FX Blue or on any other statistical website until you are comfortable with the strategies, until you are satisfied with the results and you want to go for live trading. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. It was a pleasure recording this course. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Have a wonderful day and enjoy trading with the EAs. Cheers!